Hi, my name is Trevor and welcome to this video about setting up weak surfaces in GeoStudio. Weak surfaces can be used to represent a weak zone or interface in soil and rock. A weak surface could be used, for example, to represent the strength of a single discontinuity, a shear zone at residual strength, or an interface along a geomembrane. This video covers weak surfaces in 2D. In order to capture the translational mode of failure, we use the weak surface feature in GeoStudio. The use of a single weak surface is similar to using the impenetrable material model in SlopeW. However, it differs in that a unique material is associated with the surface. Furthermore, multiple weak surfaces can be defined in a single analysis. Weak surfaces are defined using a polyline in 2D. Referring to the diagram on the right, a trial slip surface that intersects the weak surface is truncated. The topmost weak surface governs in the event that there are more than one weak surface. The strength definition of columns intersected by the weak surface is defined by the material associated with the weak surface. Weak surfaces should ideally extend across the domain to mitigate the generation of poorly shaped slip surfaces. Any slip surface that has a stair-step shape is deemed inadmissible. Now, let us review the workflow for creating weak surfaces in GeoStudio. First, I'm going to click on Draw, go down to Surfaces, and select Weak Surfaces. The Grayed Out drop-down menu indicates that there are no weak surfaces created, so I click Add next to the drop-down. You can see I have 3 materials listed in the materials dropdown, but I don't have a material I want to use for my weak surface yet. Click on the ellipsis next to the dropdown and click Add in the Define Materials dialog to create a new material. I am calling this Shear Zone so I know it's for my weak surface. I will use a more Coulomb material model and set the friction angle to 5 degrees. Now I can close the Draw Materials dialog. Now I click on the dropdown and select the shear zone material and click Draw. In this case, I will use the points since I want this weak surface as the interface between these two materials. However, when defining weak surfaces, you do not need to follow pre-drawn lines on the domain. Your weak surface can cut through a region. Now that that is completed, I will click Close. And you can see that the color associated with the shear band material is visible on the domain along the weak surface I just drew. Weak surfaces are denoted by 1 dot and 1 dash alternating. I solved the analysis. Now that the analysis is solved, you can see that the slip surface is truncated by the weak surface, and my factor of safety is below 1. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed the video.